สวัสดีค่ะจ๋าค่ะ or you can call me Jaja I'm from Bangkok Thailand กรุงเทพประเทศไทยค่ะ So talk about the memory that I get from the festival. I would say like the energy, the vibe here is just amazing. I can't get it from anywhere. The group of people that helping you up and push you through the limit. It's actually amazing. It's totally incredible. It's beyond what I expected. And next year, 2024, of course, I will be here and see you guys, all of you, and having fun together, even in the hotter workshop, anything, making more friends because here, I would say like I have new family and of course I will come to visit my family here. So I will see you here next year, 2024. เชิญทุกคนมานะคะในงานนี้นะคะ Gathering of Tribes 2024 next year, Kuching, right here in Sarawak.